Hi, welcome to Wiki, Tiki and Kashiv Infotech. This is Venkat here. We are going to talk about a Java interview question. Java is a very powerful language, and it is a kind of a cross-platform compatible language. Cross-platform compatible language in the sense Java languages, the application created in Java language will be working in any kind of operating system. So it got a cross-platform compatibility. Apart from that, Java associated with the Android operating system, it becomes a very powerful programming language in the mobile application world. And today I'm going to talk about most of the great interview questions asked by the freshers and also experienced people. Okay, so this is Venkat from Kashiv Infotech company. So Kashiv Infotech is a training based and a software development company, and we are giving internships and courses. You may ask me, what is internship? Internship is nothing but just go to your company, get the technology, train yourself, gain some experience via that you can go for a job. That is called internships. And you got courses also. We are providing this internship courses via online and also on offline. You can contact me anytime for any kind of help via this contact numbers. Here is the numbers. And apart from that, here is the WhatsApp numbers. If you want to send a message, you can send a message towards WhatsApp number. And if you want to talk to me, chat with me, asking some doubts, yes, it's possible via my Insta account. This is my Insta account. Click this follow button. You can contact me at any time. Okay. So note to the companies and recruiters. So I request you people to please send your job description to us. We are ready to refer our best candidates for free of cost. Without any conditions, we are going to give it. So this is for the companies and recruiters, and to the students and subscribers. Okay. So if you are getting a career break, degree non-completed, non-IT people want to shift for a job, please treat me as a brother. Contact me at any time. I'm ready to help you. Okay, it's time for me to move on to the technology. So, Java interview questions and answers. Okay, let's move on to Java interview questions and answers. So, this is my continuation of my previous videos. I've given lots of technology videos in my channel. So, just go and check all these videos. You'll get lots and lots of ideas. Okay, yes. So here is the first question I'm going to discuss. What is Java programming? Java programming in the sense it is a high-level language, a human understandable language, and we need a compiler to convert your high-level language to a machine understandable language. Okay. On the other hand, every program, every concept in Java is written under a class. That's why it is called a class-based programming technique. And finally, it's an object-oriented language. You got a class object models, and you will be having a lot of object-oriented concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction, everything will work. So Java is a very powerful language written in a class, and it's supporting object-oriented programming, and it is a compiler to convert your high-level language to a machine-level language. That is why it is called that is the features and the nature of Java programming. So this is my first question we are discussing among 16 questions. We got 16 questions today to discuss. Now let's talk about how Java works in multiple platforms. How it works because of your bytecode concept. You got a Java program. I got a Java source, and this needs to be converted. So you need a compiler for that. So a Java compiler is there, and this will convert into a bytecode. And this bytecode, they will be utilizing the libraries, and it will be getting executed. So you got a Java virtual machine. A virtual machine will be there, and it will get executed on the operating system, and it is compatible with the hardware. So you are able to see you got a Java virtual machine for this operating system, for another operating system, for another operating system. That's why it is called write once and execute anywhere. Write once and execute anywhere. That is called ORA. So write once and read anymore. That is the future of Java. This is the second question we discussed. And let's move on to so over here, as I told you, you got the Java source code, and it is compiled to a bytecode concept. A .java file will be converted into .class file. So a bytecode will be a .class file, and it will be executed in any operating system. That is how your Java works. Okay, before further proceeding, our company Kashiv Infotech, we are conducting training, and many of the companies are looking for Kashiv Infotech trained students. So we are providing resources to you people. So over here, we got the people are looking for candidates for PHP. Okay, so recently I got this opening, and you are able to see 4 days before I got an opening for Angular and .NET. That's great, Angular and .NET. And we got some openings on Flutter programming. Okay, Flutter programming. And we got some opening for hardware and network candidates, 0 to 1 year of experience, hardware and network candidates. And people are looking for .NET and Angular fresher openings. Okay, 5 days before we got this opportunity. So similar kind of lots of opportunity. So you can contact us if you're looking for a job. We are ready to help you. Okay, on the other end, let's move on to the other question. What is a class and an object? So class is nothing but I got a photo of a pin. The photo of the pen is there, we can't use it to write. So use a pen, create it as a real pen, you can use it. That is why it is called object. So the template is called a class. So this is my third question. As I told you, furniture. So which furniture, man? So these are the furniture, sir. So furniture is a class, yeah, high level thing. You can't use it. Sir, furniture, use this furniture to sit. What furniture, sir? Is it a chair? Is it a table? It's a sofa? We don't know. So specifically telling, so this is a chair, table, bed or something like that. That is called like objects. So furniture is a class. From there you are able to create an object. Furniture you can't use it. Object is a real-time entity. You can use it. Okay, over here. So you are able to see you got the car class. And the car class, what is a car, man? So it's a green Ford Mustang gasoline, sir. That is an object. These are the real-time cars, we can use it, but this is a template. You can't use it. So if you talk about a class, this is how you can write the class. The class name. You got the access specifiers over here, and you got the objects over here. These are some of the objects. So box B1, box B2, box B3. Okay, this is called as a class, and these are all called as objects used in classes. Okay, over here, as I told you, like you got this is a program. I'm able to see a program here. So class, program. A class will be having variables and methods. These are the methods. Member functions are methods. So you got two variables, name and age, member variables. You got two methods, set data and show data. Set data in the sense like what are the data you're sending, it will be placed over here. Okay, so here is a static void main function. For this program, I created an object. The object is here. Okay, I'm setting the data. I'm calling this function. So obj1.setData RAM 20. So RAM will be placed here. 20 will be placed here. RAM will be placed here, and 20 will be placed here. Okay, now I got the object1.showData. Automatically the data is displayed here. So this is how your class and the object works. Okay, yes. Let's move on to abstraction. What is an abstraction? So that is the next question we are going to discuss. What is an abstraction? So abstraction is nothing but a high level meaning. You don't have a clear functionality, man. A high level meaning is given. From there you are able to filter it. You have to give specific meaning. That is called abstraction. So a high level information without any clear details. Vehicle, turn right, turn left, move backward, move forward. These are the functions available. From there, vehicle, I got a car. It will be moving forward. I got a bike. It will be moving forward. Okay, these are high level methods. From there you got the specific methods here. This is called as abstraction. Okay, abstraction, you are able to specify with the two things. One is called abstract classes or interface. Abstract classes in the sense like a little bit of abstraction will be there. Interface, 100% abstraction will be there. Okay, that is the difference. Okay, over here, you are abstraction in the sense like giving high level meaning. No clear meanings. That is called abstraction. So over here for abstract classes, you got the circle and rectangular class. From there, extending, you got it from the shape. From the shape, it is trying to extend to circle and rectangle. We'll be using a label called extends in abstract classes. Whereas in interface, you'll be using implements. Extends, over here it is called implements. Okay, that is the difference. Okay, so here is a typical example. I'm trying to show you a program here. So over here this is called abstract class, because so employee extends if it comes, it's called abstract class. So the class employee is an abstract class. You'll be specifying it as abstract class here. Public abstract class person. In that you got an abstract method get name. Sir, what is there in get name, sir? Plainly they will give get name. This is called abstraction. Not giving any detail. Simple, not giving any detail. That is called abstraction. Abstract get name. This get name will have the details in the child class. Okay, so employee. So the child is employee. Person is the father. Father, child. Father, child. Father will have a blind, plain meaning. Child will have the detailed meaning. That is called abstraction. Okay, employee extends person. I got name. Employee will have the name. So like you will be having name here. This dot name equal to name here. And you got public string get name. So returning the string name. Okay, I got employee. For this employee, I create an object. New employee John Wilson. So automatically this name will go here. And it will place here. This dot name equal to John Wilson will be here. System.out.println employee name is employee.getName. Employee.getName will have John Wilson here. Employee name is this one. Thomas with you'll be having. So Thomas with, in the sense it will go here, assign it here, and this method will call here, and you'll be getting the output. This is called as abstraction. This is called as abstraction. Okay, let's move on to the next area. What is aggregation? So now let's talk about what is aggregation. So aggregation is nothing but grouping. Grouping something is called aggregation. Sir, I want to call a specific one student, sir. Name it. I want to call all the male candidates. All male candidates, please come. So aggregating all the people and calling them. That is called, this is my question number 5, and we got another 11 questions available. Okay, that is called aggregation. You are able to see here class address. The address will have city, state, country, line 1 and everything is there. I create a private address. This address will have city, state, country, line 1, line 2. Group it and give it to them. That is called as aggregation. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What is JDK, JVM and JRE? Java Development Kit, Java Virtual Machine, Java Runtime Environment. What it is? Okay, that's the one we are going to see now. Here is the one. Your Java Virtual Machine is the environment or place where you will be having a Java program running. Java Virtual Machine, along with the libraries, it became a Java Runtime Environment. And you got a lot of development tools. Java Runtime Environment and development tools will become a Java Development Kit. So if I install my Java Development Kit, it will have a Java, it will have the development tools and Java Runtime. And this Java Runtime will have the JVM and libraries. This is called as, like, these are the very, very important areas where the people will ask a lot of questions to you. Okay, you are able to see a JIT compiler. The compiler is available in this JVM. And Java, Java W, libraries, rt.jar, everything is converted. It's coming under JRE. Java C, jar, debugging tools, Java P, everything is coming under Java Development Kit. So this is how your JDK, JVM and JRE works. So let's move on to the next question now. So we got another more 10 interview questions to answer. Let's move on. Okay, let's move on to our website over here. So this is the link you need to go. I'll put this link in the description and everything. So like we are going to discuss on the another 10 questions. Okay, on Java interview questions. Let's move on here. I'm scrolling down here. You are able to see it here. Okay, these are the areas. Java tutorial. I got lots of details on Java programming. Java tutorial, Java installation guide, Java interview programs. You got a lot of programs available. Multi-threading in Java, free Java projects, Java resume downloads, Java interview questions, Java experience resume and Java J2E free resumes. I'm going to click this one to see what is there. So I'll go back here. So I'm going to run my Java program. Yes, I got my Java interview questions here. I got my Java entry questions. Let's discuss on this Java entry question. We got some 33 questions over here. So I'm going to discuss like another maybe like a 10 questions with you. So Java versus C++. So straightforward people. Java is a very so if we talk about Java versus C++, Java is a purely object-oriented program. It's a purely object-oriented program. Whereas like a C++, it's a partial object-oriented programming. From C++, we got Java programming. Okay, so everything which you are writing in Java should be in class. Whereas in C++ is not the case. You can write a normal program and also a class program. So that is a major difference between Java versus C++. So let's move on here. You got a lot of definitions and differences over here. Just go and check it out. You'll get a lot of ideas. So Java is using compilers and it is using compiler and interpreter. Okay. So this is the difference between Java and C++. Oh, sorry. C++ got your compiler converting into high-level language. This guy Java got compiler and interpreter because it need to like interpret to multiple operating system. Okay, so that is one thing. And what is Java virtual machine? Java virtual machine in the sense it is an environment where the Java program will convert your compile high-level language into a byte code. Okay, that is called as Java virtual machine. So JVM. So you got a definition of everything here. So Java code, Java compiler, bytecode, and it got the individual JVM, Java virtual machine, placed in every operating system. Your Java program .java will become a class file, and this class file will be running in JVM here. So that is how your Java virtual machine works. And this is the one we discussed before itself. What is Java programming? So Java programming, so write once, read anywhere. That is how your Java program works. Okay, you got your Java code and everything I've explained it here. This is a small piece of Java code program. So you got public, class name. Under that you got your main function, whatever program you want, write it in a class. Okay, that is how your Java programming works. Let's move on to main features of Java programming. If we talk about main features of Java programming, support object-oriented language, concepts, high-level language, flexible, unscalable, execute in any operating system, and it can be used to write any kind of code for any kind of devices. These are some of the great features of Java programming. So let's move on here. What is the main features of Java programming? Oh, platform independent. Okay, object oriented, simple, secure, portable, distributor. Multi-threading is supported, high performance, robust, interpreted, dynamic, and architecture neutral. So you got a lot of things over here. Just go and check it out. What is the difference between wait and sleep? Wait and sleep in Java. Okay, so this is the difference. So what is wait and sleep? So wait and sleep in the sense like wake up in 1 second. So you know that I'm going to the process will start in specific time. You know it. That is sleep. Wait in the sense like I don't know when it is going to start, man. I need to wait until they inform me. I don't know. So defined timing is there for sleep, and we don't have the defined timing for wait. So that is the difference. You got a lot of things over here. Just go and check it out here. Okay. Yes. Let's move on here. Difference between class not found exception and class defined found error. Okay, that is what is the differences? Class not found. Class not found. Over here, you are able to see no class is an error. It is a java.lang.error, and it is a runtime error. It is a runtime error. Runtime error in the sense like sir, while running everything is good, sir. During running time, I found this error, sir. That is called a no class defined found error. Class not found exception, while trying to compile itself, while trying to build the project itself, it will throw an error. That is a kind of a compiler time error. So that is the difference. Okay. Okay. Let's talk about JDK, JRE and JVM. If we talk about JDK, JRE and JVM, JDK, as I told you, a Java development kit. Under that you got your JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Inside you got your Java Virtual Machine. This is how your JDK, JRE and JVM works. So I've given all the details over here. Just go and check it out. Okay, I don't want to continue with the program until now. Why do we need garbage collection? Why do we need garbage collection? Garbage collection in the sense I got some objects which these objects I don't want to be stayed in the memory. Sir, I close the program, sir, the object is there in the memory, sir. Clean it up, man. There is a guy who will clean everything. Garbage collector. An automated program which will collect all the garbages. Okay, garbage. Unwanted things will be removed. So you are able to see unwanted things will be removed. That is the nature of garbage collection. And we got lots and lots of questions available. So let's see any other questions. Yes, show more. I got some more questions. You can see I put lots of questions over here. Just go and learn everything. If you got any doubts, you can contact me anytime. I'm ready to help you. So hope you enjoy my video. If you got any queries or do you have any questions, post in the comment section. I'm ready to help you. And our company Kashi Infotech, we are providing internships via online and also direct internships available. You can contact me anytime for any kind of help. I request you people to share this particular video to your friends and everyone. Let's spread some good information and let's share some good videos to everyone. Let's transform the society. And this is Venkat signing out from Wiki Techie and Kashi Infotech. Thank you. Jai Hind.